Hello guys, welcome back. So in this section or in this lecture, we are going to see what are paragraph, how to write a paragraph, how to write headings, how to write different sizes in headings and all the other stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'll keep the title as it is. Okay, I'm not going to change the title. So keep this head part aside and I'm going to remove all the body part. Okay, you now know what's this br tag for, right? And this br tag is to break the lines and it is a self-closing tag. That's it. Okay, so let me delete this. Okay, now what I'm going to write, whenever you try to write a paragraph, okay, paragraph, so if I save this and if I try to rerun this, you can see there's nothing. Okay, now so if you want to write a paragraph, okay, how to write a paragraph, so open a paragraph tab. Okay, so paragraph tab is denoted with p. Okay, you can see it automatically creates a closing paragraph tag. Okay, so I'm going to write this paragraph as, hello guys, you are learning HTML through a online platform called Jelf Study. You will also learn about CSS3. This is basically a HTML5 lecture. So this is how you will write a paragraph, right? So um, so let me save this. Okay, and I'll rerun this. You can see. So this is how you need to write a paragraph. So whenever you search for some web pages, okay, you try to read some web pages, the paragraph looks like this. Okay, this is how a paragraph looks like. So this is the way you need to write a paragraph. So how to denote a paragraph? A paragraph is opened with p tag and closed with /p tag. Okay, so this is a p tag. So how to write a heading? Okay, heading, we can write the heading by using h tag. P for paragraph, h for heading. So we have different sizes in heading. Okay, you can see that one heading is of larger size, one heading is of smaller size. You can see these type of things, right? So the main heading is very large, but the side headings are a bit smaller, and the headings inside the side headings are a little smaller than those. So you can see different sizes, right? So headings will be different sizes from h1 to h6. Okay, so I'm gonna write all the tags from h1 to h6. Okay, so h2, let me, so give me some time, I'll denote all the tags. So h3, h4. Okay, so now it's h5, now h6. Okay, fine. So everywhere I'm going to write heading. Okay, sorry. I'm going to save this and I'm going to rerun this. You can see here, this is of size h1. This is the heading h2. This is h3, h4, h5, and h6. You can see the heading is always in bold letters, bold. Okay, So these are different sizes in heading. So h1 is of larger size, h2 is smaller comparatively with h1, h3 is smaller comparing with h2 and h1. Likewise, it continues up to h6. Okay, you have six different sizes of headings. Okay, so wherever you like, whatever the size you want to keep as a heading, you can keep this. Okay, so this is basically the HTML thing. Okay, so this is how you need to give the title, um, type a heading, and write a paragraph. If you want to break the paragraph in between, uh, here, if you want to break, you can write a break tag. Okay, break. So you can break in between that. So now refresh this, you can see it's breaked here. Okay, so if you see this, if you increase this, the whole thing will be in same line. If you decrease this size, you can see how much you will decrease, it will be coming to the next line. If you increase, it will be going to the previous line. Okay, it will be adjusted automatically according to the tab size. Okay, so if you see in a mobile, it would be basically this size. Okay, if you see in a tablet, it may be something like this size. If you view in a mobile, it may be in this size. So uh, it will adjust automatically according to the screen size. Okay, so in mobile it will be something like 2 or 3 lines. In tablet it would be something around 1 or 2 lines. In laptop or in larger devices, it can be in a single line. So these paragraph is getting adjusted automatically. Fine. Yes. So in this lecture, what you have learned different sizes of headings. So uses of H1 to H6. So you may have some MCQ like, which heading would be larger in size. They will give H2, H5, H4 and H6. So the answer would be H2. Okay. So the larger would be H2 according to the option. If they give H1, H2, H3 and H4, H1 will be larger. Okay. So H1 is larger, H2 is smaller comparing to H1, H3 is smaller comparing to H1 and H2 and so on. So this is how you need to write a paragraph. So you can write a break statement in between the paragraph tag. Okay. So in this lecture you have learned how to write headings and paragraphs. So let's meet up in the next lecture.